Okay, so today we got one project going out and we got another project coming in. I think you guys will like this new project, so let me show it to you. All right, dude. Nate, what'd you pick up?
So this is a car that's been in motorsports for like 2 decades.
Where's it from? Is it from Corpus?
Corpus Christi. I don't know who all's owned it. 2 of my friends have owned it. It originally, I first drove it when it was Matt Votsmeyer's car. It was red, and then it was yellow. Essentially, Drift Corpus. This is one of the first Drift Corpus cars.
That's cool.
Back when it was just a handful of guys, you know, Justin, Nico, all those guys started that back in the day with Matt and Kris.
What is it?
This is a 89 325i. It still has the original M20 in it, which is just a 2.5 liter straight 6 for those who don't know all the boomer shit. It's a 4-door.
Crew cab?
Yeah. It has, man, I forget the name of the angle kit, but it has one of the first angle kits that was developed by this company, and my bad, I don't remember it. It's got some hood louvers from a hot rod guy. Those are mild steel that are rusted.
Those are dope. Yeah.
Yeah. Just normal E30.
You're saying it's got an angle kit on it?
Yeah, it's got a pretty highly modified angle kit. Front arms and everything are front knuckles are altered.
That's cool, man. The intake right here's got a rip in the boot, which isn't good, but that's pretty minor. Filter looks reasonably clean, but the big news is that I think I've talked Nate into painting it something other than green. So I'm trying to go for something crazy, yellow, purple, raspberry, and he's fighting me and he's saying silver. So we're gonna go down to Home Depot and look at paint colors, and we're gonna see who wins. Hopefully I win. Raspberry will look sick. Tape? Did you get mineral spirits? Are you trying to paint over the dust? What color did you pick out?
Aubergine.
What is it?
Satin aubergine. How do you say it, Jake?
Let me see. I gotta read it to pronounce it.
Aubergine.
Yeah.
Aubergine.
Yeah. Abu Gratin.
Abu Gratin. All right.
I think it looks crazy. So today, one of the cars here at our shop leaves. It's going back to Corpus Christi. It's this 3-inch Paco lifted Miata. This thing was a basket case. It was a former Bell Engineering like prototype supercharger car, which means that it was just haggard as hell. No motor, trans, wiring was all jacked up, no interior. Anyways, Nate put all the parts back on it, got it running. Pretty neat car. So these are BMW bottle caps with a 1-inch spacer. And the neat thing about this car is it is running, y'all can see this, 195 75/14 tires. And the cool thing about that is it had very minimal trimming to here. I think they rolled the fender just a little right here, and that's it. So this car can actually be put back stock when it's done, doing its lift kit shenanigans. Anyways, neat car. It's on its way to Corpus Christi with its new owner, Kris. All right, so we got rid of the Paco Miata. It's on a trailer going to Corpus. Kris is stoked. Hopefully there's a lot of beach shenanigan videos coming our way soon from down there. Padre Island National Seashore is a blast to hoon around in. Don't get caught. The E30 Drift Missile that Nate picked up is here in the shop. We got the hood prepped and painted today. It looks pretty cool. We should have a video coming up pretty soon with us painting the rest of the car, and stay tuned.
Yeah, put Baby Shark in every title.
Yeah. Paw Patrol. Paw Patrol. Nice tire trailer, bro. Color match. It's got too much weight on the trailer. It's just pushing the front tire. You got too much tongue weight.